lovelies, and welcome to another video. I think you all can judge from the title what's gonna happen today. So I've kind of filmed a little pre-vlog like for the unboxing, hoping that I will get an Hermes bag, but the thing is, you never know if it's gonna happen. It would be a little bit pointless if I started vlogging it and then I wouldn't get a bag and then there's nothing really to complete the video with. I'm gonna bring you back to a few days ago where I was unsure whether or not I'm gonna get an Hermes bag, and I just thought I'd still start vlogging, so rewind a little bit. Bonjour my favorite people, and welcome to another video. Today is a beautiful sunny day and it's the last day of living freely in Paris because we're going into a 4-week lockdown from today midnight, which means that no shops will be open. And when the Prime Minister announced it yesterday, I was like, girl, I'll need to treat myself with some shopping tomorrow because I want to remember it for the next 4 weeks. No, I'm just kidding, that sounds so superficial. Kind of kidding, kind of not. I don't know. You guys will have to decide on that. I'm just putting on a trench coat. We're heading out because we're going to Hermes. But I'm meeting Xenia before because we're going Hermes shopping together. And I think that's the best thing ever. Still living as a florist, as you can see. This is my look for Hermes shopping. It's actually a really sunny, beautiful day, as you can see outside, kind of. And this is my look. Jeans, Bottega boots, which by the way I love so much. These boots, I think they're so cool. I got a Hugo Boss trench that my friend Caradar designed. This is a Uniqlo turtleneck. You guys always ask me about this one, like where is it from, etc. And that's the answer. I will link it below. And I'm grabbing my new Margiela pillow bag, which is, yeah, so this is the look. It's quite Parisian, I would say, but also I suppose this is not maybe what one should wear when going to Hermes. I don't know. I still, however, think that it's quite fashionable, so that's what I'll be wearing. Oh, it's a really beautiful day. I'm currently walking. I can see Hermes in like 2 minutes ahead of me. It's sunny, but it's windy. I know what I would like to get. Actually, no, you know what? I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna ask for because it will perhaps like ruin the whole like reveal. I might see like how Xenia and I are gonna do this. Perhaps if we both, because we're both going bag shopping, and I've never actually been bag shopping with anybody before at Hermes except for my boyfriend, because you know, like you need to have a point of reference to ask, hey, should I get this or should I get that? So let's see. Perhaps I'll do my unboxing here. Xenia will do unboxing on her channel, so you will have kind of like 2 videos from 2 different perspectives. Okay, we love Hermes, but what we love even more than Hermes. Who is this? Yes! 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 Oh my god! How many kisses? How many kisses? What? How many kisses? Yes! Kiss the camera. Give camera the kiss. Give camera. What we love even more than Hermes is Rue. Hi guys, also hello to you.
I thought you said me, but no.
Hello Xenia. So sorry, it used to be you. But sorry if I have saliva on my eye. It's a new look. Spring Summer 21. Are you happy with what you got?
Yes.
Yes?
What about you?
I'm so happy. Was yours surprising?
I take pictures on the carpet.
It's okay. Just a little memorabilia for us.
They're so perfect because they're literally us on bags.
And they're exactly what we wanted.
Yes. Yay, thank you.
So Xenia and I met up, as we told you. We asked for our choices. Oops. We got exactly what we wanted, and very happy girls going home.
I'm so happy, guys.
Same. From 1 to 10, how do you feel, Miss Adons, about your purchase?
10, 11.
Yes, 11.
You?
Oh my god, I'm like beyond myself. I literally, the only thing...
I'm beyond myself for you.
But the problem is we're getting into lockdown. We're not getting into summer, and we need summer.
And we both guessed. We were like, that's always the best.
And I didn't expect it. Did you expect
it?
it?
No, you're crazy. Like, it was really unexpected because there's a behind story behind that. I'm not sure we can...
No. Welcome back to my home. As you could have seen, a little snippet of a very crazy day. It was the last day before the 3rd lockdown in France, and truth be told, I had so many things to do. Like, I was pretty much running around the city doing very like random things like fixing a nail. I mean, it's not important, but when you do a job that I do, imagine for example today I'm doing the unboxing with missing one nail. It's not the most important thing, and to be honest, I can fix a nail myself and I'm not really that bothered or obsessed with things like that. But like I said, when you do the job that I do, and I also have a lot of like jewelry jobs and a lot of jewelry campaigns, so imagine I'm missing a nail, it would probably not be the most attractive thing to see. And the lockdown number 3 in France is going to last 4 weeks. At one point we're gonna, you know, be like stuck for the nail situation, but I just thought like, you know, not today. Without like swerving too much from the topic of the video, I ended up heading to Hermes with my friend Xenia. The idea was that on the last day before the lockdown, we head to Hermes store, the Faubourg store to be more precise, and to try and score a bag. I'm not gonna reveal what Xenia got because I'm pretty sure she's gonna be doing a little unboxing on her channel too, but I am going to talk to you about my special piece. And the truth is that I actually was very clear. There was only one wish list that I had. Xenia had like, we were texting that whole morning, and we were texting like for a little bit, and we were saying like, okay, what do you want to get? So she was kind of telling me what she would like. I just had one thing on my wish list, literally one thing on my wish list, and that's what I said. The chances for me to get what I want were a little bit smaller, but nevertheless I was like, you know what, there's one bag that I want and I would really like to get it, and if I could get it, that would be my dream. So you could have seen what happened. We had it at the shop. The shop was not busy. It was like filled with people. There were like so many people at Hermes. I actually met one of my followers. Hi Aurélie, if you're watching this. It was like really busy. So I was like, okay, I mean, if there are any bags left on the last day before closing down, you know? But double appointment with your best friend is a pretty cool thing, right? I'm also always very excited to do these videos because after I get something new at Hermes, I actually don't open it until I unbox it here for you guys. So that's a sacrifice because I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to do this, so to see this piece. Because, okay, so first of all, I'm not gonna repeat the process of getting an Hermes bag. It's always the same process. I'll just answer in this video some of the questions that I still frequently get. Point is that at the moment at the Faubourg store, Faubourg Saint-Honoré in Paris, so there's still the same process, which is you apply online, you get an appointment if you get an appointment, and then you ask for the bag that you want. As you could have seen on this occasion, I did not wear anything from Hermes. I wore my new Margiela bag. I wore like a pretty kind of cool outfit, but I would say very casual, not too dressy. When I arrived at my appointment, I did not have my essay. I have 2 essays in the store, 2 that know me and that know that I am a good client at Faubourg boutique, I would say. I bought there several bags, like I think I bought like 8 handbags there. I bought homeware, I bought blankets, I bought pillows. I buy a lot of gifts for friends from Hermes, like, I don't know, like the trays, the change trays, the ashtrays, the homeware as well, clothes as well, you know, ready to wear. So for me, I think I have like quite an, quite a purchase history. But the last thing I purchased there, I think are 2 bags, a Constance, a Birkin 25, and the blanket, I believe. I can't even remember anymore. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is like, we arrived, this essay didn't know us. She at first was a little bit like, she was, you know, like checking us out. Then she checked our purchase histories, and I did not have a good feeling at all. I did not have a feeling I'm going to get offered the bag. Before arriving at the store, I was sure I will get offered the bag because I have my 2 essays there. Pretty much every time that I ask for something, I get something. And it's now that we know each other for years. Since 2018, I've had the same essay at the Faubourg store, so it's never been a question. But now that I saw it's a new person, I was like, okay, she did not seem like she was a fan of us, like in like personal way. I don't mean in like online way. But that's just like French people for you. Sometimes they can deceive you, you know, like you just feel like they don't like you. But then when you start talking to them, you realize that you were just wrong, because French people are very different to American people, where American people are very like sweet in like this kind of, you know, like for example, first impression is very sweet, but then you might not get anything. Whereas French people, they can be like kind of not interested, not smiling, but then you still get results. So very difficult to read French people, for me at least. We both got offered the bags and we both got what we wanted. So like I told you, I had only one thing that I wanted and I got it. Do you think you know what I wanted? If you think you know, let me know. What color? Just like leave a color in the description box, letting me know what you think I got, and I will open it here for you. I'm so excited. So let's do this. Before we proceed though, I would like to say that if you are a fan of Hermes, like I am, I think you should definitely subscribe to my channel. I film a lot about these precious bags, and I even actually write my blog posts about them. I've noticed that actually there is more than 60% of you who watch my videos but are not subscribed to my channel. Why is that? Why is it that people watch regularly my videos but they're not even subscribed? I feel like that's almost like not fair. Anyway, let's do this. This is the first time that I have a bag in this specific leather, which is beautiful, I think. Here is a little like clue. I asked for a Kelly because I feel like Kelly is just always, I don't know, like incredible. And I believe that I have more Birkins at the moment than Kellys, but maybe with this bag, it's getting balanced a little bit. Another clue. The lady told me, actually, I think we're completely out of Kellys because we're producing them less and less. So here's the clue number 3. Any guesses now? Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you my Hermes bag number 11, I believe, and it is Kelly 25 in capucine color in swift leather with gold hardware. I'm so obsessed with this. And I was trying to remember one of my friends, Anne-Catherine Goethe, who has an incredible Hermes collection and is so beautiful as a person and as like Hermes collector as well. She has Birkin 25 that I remember seeing last time like 2 years ago, and we don't know what's the color, and I always thought that was the most beautiful color ever. It's so stunning, it's so stunning, it's so stunning, it's so beautiful. Like every time I see it, I'm like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. And we call her Poppy. That's the name of the bag. I don't know if it's the same color, but I remember it's very corally like this. And when I saw this, which is color is capucine, I was like obsessed. Just to show you a little close up, hopefully the light will be favorable. I think it's tricky with this light, but I will try and shoot little details as well in the daylight for you guys to see. But with the gold hardware, this is so beautiful. The swift leather seems a little bit soft, but I actually like it because I think it seems more, I don't know, like a bit, I already have like 2-3 Kellys in Epsom, so I thought it was time for something else. I don't have any, this is my first Kelly return. I don't have any, all the other ones are Cellier, so this is a really beautiful change and I love this bag. What was my request to the lady at Hermes? I said, like, I just have one wish, I'm not gonna take much of your time. I would like to get a Kelly 25 in feu or any very close orange color. I would like, so my dream is actually to get a Kelly 28 in feu in Epsom in Cellier, but I was like, if you have something coral, Kelly 25 for summer, guys, with tan, with like my curly hair when it's like a fresh from the sea, like a white dress and just like a nude sandals or something like that. Like, I mean, I'm just dreaming of that, okay? I'm dreaming of that. And I already have my Blue Broom Kelly 25, which is in Epsom, and it's Cellier and it's so beautiful, but this is very, very, very different and I love it so much. I love how soft it is. It's very different to what I'm used to. Now I know that frequently asked question always is, what is the price of a Kelly bag at the moment in Paris? To help you all, I will of course leave the answer to that question, as I always do, in the description box. You can check it out. I don't like talking about money verbally. I always find it very weird, and I will leave information for you guys who want to know, just because I think it's very important. I've discussed this before. I understand that the second market offers higher prices. I know that in the past as well I said that I'm not sure if that's fair, but if you think about it, that these bags are not available and that you are able to get only 2 per year. If you want a third one, well, it ends up that the price is higher. It's because of the demand. It's as simple as that. It's simple economy. So if you think about it, c'est la vie. That is what it is. If you really want your third bag and if you really have the money, I guess you end up paying for it, which is, we say in Serbian, svaka roba ima svoga kupca, which means that all goods have a buyer for it. So at the end of the day, that is it. And here is my new Kelly. Wow, I love her so much. So a current verdict for my 11th bag from Hermes is that I think that I am a bit of a Kelly fan more than a Birkin fan. That's the first thing that I would like to share. I, of course, am still a massive Constance fan as well, as you guys know. Below, I will try and find similar bags to this one, to link it below if any of you are interested in getting something similar to this, or maybe even same, who knows, maybe I can find something same for you guys, because now that the shops are closed, shopping is not option, boutique shopping is not an option anymore, unfortunately, but I will leave some other options for you in the description box below as well. And I will link, you guys always ask me, I will link everything that I'm wearing, including, yes, the jewelry. That is always the most asked question. This elephant is what I wear every single day. To answer the question that my DM is full of is, wait a second, how come you're allowed to get so many bags per year? You're supposed to only get 2 and you get like 4 or something. One very important thing is that quota per year is only when it comes to Birkins and Kellys, so my Constance bags do not count. And another thing to say is that December my Kelly 25 was a present, so it did not go under my name. I did not get it myself. And do you remember the story? If you don't remember the story, I will insert a video in the description box as well for you guys to watch. Overall, the thing is that I do get 2 bags per year on my name. I have tried also recently, I just popped in Milan boutique and I asked like, do you have any bags? Because you never know, you know? And they were like, no, and also we only sell to local people, which I'm sure is a lie, but anyway. Also, I've heard from other people that they get bags abroad and then they do not count towards the quota. However, this year the system is becoming more international and I have checked with the Hermes team, because I also do work with Hermes, as in I'm in touch with their communications team, that I do not try and get my bags anyway with them. This is not in any way affiliated to marketing. I pay for my bags. This is not sponsored or anything like that. That would be just absolutely crazy. I buy my bags and I do try and check if I can get some information from the team, because I think it's important to share the information with you guys. And it's true, this year they will be making the client profiles worldwide. So if you shop in Spain or Germany or Italy, England or France, it will go on the same quota, but probably towards the end of the year. So if you can make the most out of it, I know I would. That is it. I'm gonna put my baby on the shelf with the other ones. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think about the bag. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Deal? Bye guys.